Good morning, my dear children. Now, today we will cover the points which were left in the topic ways of conservation of plants. Before that, we have done that stop deforestation and promote afforestation, and we should celebrate the festival of life, that is Van Mahotsav. Now, next point is that we need to save forest. We must protect our trees and we must protect our forest. For that, in late 1970s, one movement was started, and the name of that movement was Chipko movement. Now, what was that movement? It was a non-violent agitation started in 1970s that aimed at protection and conservation of trees from being destroyed, and it was spearheaded by Sundarlal Bhaguna. The name of Chipko movement originated from the word embrace, means to hug, as the villagers used to hug the trees. Now you can see in the picture also some women are standing near the trees, and this can essentially be called a women's movement for the cause of preserving forest. All the women played a great role in this, right? Here you can see one picture, hug a tree. We must hug our trees, we must love our trees, okay, to protect our forests. Next point is put a ban on deforestation. We should stop deforestation and there should be a complete ban on deforestation, okay. This is a very important step so as to promote our plant, so as to save our plants. Punishment and heavy fine for those who cut down trees. Yes, it should be there. There should be a punishment and heavy fine for those who cut down the trees, because it is against our nature. We are not obeying the nature. We are not obeying the nature when we cut down the trees. This is the picture of a rainforest. You can see here very green rainforest is there. Now afterwards it changes into a bare land. How it changes into a bare land? After deforestation, after clearing all the greenery, all the trees, it changes into this brown dark place. So this used to be a rainforest. Here you can see it's a rainforest, and after cutting down of trees it changes into this kind of a place where no vegetation is there. Here again lots of cutting and all is happening to the nature, a disturbance, imbalance in nature, which is only done by humans, right? We are disturbing our nature. We must protect our forest from forest fires. We should play a role in protecting our forest from forest fires. Now, how we can protect the forest from forest fires? Use only fireworks in clear areas with no woods nearby. And if you see any fire, then you immediately report that fire. You must report the unattended fires. Do not throw lit cigarettes out of your moving car, because you don't know any time it can catch the fire, right? Extinguish fire pits and campfires when done. So these are the few simple steps that can help the forest from the forest fires. Now here is again a picture of a forest fire. So this is again a imbalance in the nature. Mind map. Now we are done with all the points: afforestation, deforestation, Van Mahotsav, right? Planting a saplings, and taking steps to protect forest against forest fires. What is afforestation? What will be there for afforestation? It increases oxygen and decreases carbon dioxide, because if more plants are there, the more plants will release oxygen gas, and that oxygen gas is released into the atmosphere, and it will decrease automatically the carbon dioxide. And deforestation. Now what will happen after deforestation? You know that plants release oxygen gas. If plants are not there, then it will increase the percentage of carbon dioxide and decreases in the oxygen. It is a vice versa, afforestation and deforestation, right? Afforestation increases and deforestation decreases that part. Now the temperature of earth decreases with rain and plants. As we know that now this is summer season and so hot is there, but sometimes after few days if rain comes, then we all feel very relaxed. How? Because the temperature of earth decreases, and rain is possible only due to plants, due to trees. So we must plant trees. Each one of us plant a tree, plant a sapling. They make our earth very beautiful, and it is a survival for us, it is a home for us. So temperature of earth decreases with rain and plants. Okay, so this is all about the various ways of conservation of plants. I hope you are clear with these various points, and you must all participate so as to contribute a little towards Mother Nature Earth, because when one hand joins the another hand, then it will cause a definite change in the society. So this is all about the ways of conservation. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.